So friends, you have seen them in our previous video, and now also they are here for one debating, and they will talk one very interesting point which everyone can familiar this point. Okay, so your debate question is that should uniform be banned or not? Okay, you have seen in our surrounding area, means in our school. Okay, a uniform is very important. With the help of uniform we can identify the students from which school he is belonging, he or she is belonging. Okay, but in other way, I think weekly 1 or 2 day government should give permission to wear civil dress, because sometimes what happen, the sweating, no, the students get too much sweating, and they are bored to wear whole 7 days that only uniform, means 6 days that only uniform. Okay, so as per my view, government should give 1 or 2 days something different we are two student, but in maintain to rules. Okay, they should maintain the rules, means there is like for the girls kurta. Okay, kurta and pajama. For the gents, means boys shirt and pant. Okay, I'm not talking about fashionable cloth, but they should wear civil dress, a normal cloth. Okay, so your debate point is that should home uniform be banned or not? Okay, what do you think? Should uniform be banned or not? What is your answer? Uniform ban or not?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, means uniform should be banned. And your
Uniform shouldn't be banned.
shouldn't be banned. Okay, so why you have to give answer? Understood no question. You want time? Do you want time for thinking?
No.
Okay, start to tell. It's a group discussion. Mic problem.
Uniform shouldn't be banned because then children will not be in discipline.
If uniform should be banned, that time students so comfortable feel.
But you can't see that in which school they were.
Yeah, you can't identify.
Yeah.
Yes, I agree with you, but we identify the school students. They were supply the school supply to students one logo, school logos.
But if you want to wear that civil dress in any function or anywhere else, then you can't wear that particular dress because some logo was stitched on that cloth.
You can. You're talking about that logo. We can stitch on civil dress also.
No, if you stitch that logo on that dress, then you can't wear that dress on indirectly anywhere.
function ended.
Yeah.
Yes, I agree with you, but some students are not possible to uniform purchase uniform. So civil dress is okay.
You are telling about they were not able to purchase uniform, but
They can.
they can able to purchase civil dress
Civil dress.
because if
Civil dress
they
are very cost, no?
yeah, if they purchase civil dress, then if anyone doesn't have any new dress, then in one class it will become two groups, poor
Yeah, some
and
rich.
rich.
Explain it. Means poor family belonging, they can't affordable. Rich
Yeah.
family. Tell explain.
If they can't ab- able to afford new dresses or new clothes, then they will be poor. And if some children are wearing new clothes daily, so they will belong to rich family.
Which is talking about what happened in one class it created two groups, poor and rich. Means poor family they can't affordable, no, their parents can't affordable to give money to purchase that. So the poor family students, they will insist to their parents that I want that types of clothes which other friends are wearing. So in one class it create two groups, poor and rich. Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes, I agree with you, but some students are understanding this situation, and they realize to his father hardworking of his study. So your that's your choice. You can't. You can wherever you go. That time you civil dress.
You can
Wear a civil dress.
But in one class, only few students will understand that their parents were doing hard work. But what about other?
Yes, I agree with you. But some students' mentality is there. If uniform ban, that time students are very comfortable feel, and they will curiosity of
to go
to go in tomorrow's school.
means they're curious about which dress should I wear tomorrow. Okay, they are while going they feel happy. Yes, they get enjoyment. Maybe they can do matching also.
But if they wear civil uniform daily, then they were only talking about their uniform. They were click
Lovely.
for photos every day. They will not listen
Concentrate.
or concentrate about their studies.
Yes, I agree with you. But some students are they some students are very serious of study, and they are not attention in all.
But not every students were serious in studies.
Yes, I agree with you.
The
But
students are.
yes, I agree with you. But the students in mentality of the study, they are serious to a study.
They can.
They
Who are
can.
you're talking about? They are who are serious about the study. They can do concentration.
Yes.
But if they wear civil uniform, then they will bunk the school or that lecture because they can't.
They can go to
Because
family function. They
Yeah.
can go. They can wander anywhere.
no, if they will bunk, then other peoples can't understand also from which school they were.
Yeah, they can't give complaint.
Yeah,
Principal. Yes.
Yes, I agree with you. But some schools are their rules very strict,
Regulation.
very strict rules and discipline.
but that only that people's how they will understood or identify which school that
School.
girl or boy from.
Yes, I agree with you. But students they see the logo, the civil dress.
But if there is no logo, then what they will do?
Yeah.
Yes, I agree with you. But you can civil you see civil dress. You can wherever you go, and you finish your class. That time you can you बाहेरचे आहे. you
Shakta, you can.
you can go to
Relative.
a relative's house.
But after going to your relatives house, that time also you can change your clothes.
No, she's talking about if I want to go directly from school, then I can go. No, like this. Yes.
But I want to take here because some schools were giving to change your clothes
Hmm.
after school.
She's talking about schools are giving permission to change the clothes.
Yes, I agree with you. But sometimes time is not there, so time is money. No, so some students are the
Directly,
directly
they
when
can wear.
they can wear.
But
No, directly they can go to their relatives home.
They directly they
can
can go to relatives home.
your relatives will didn't tell anything if you wear school uniform also.
Yeah, your relatives can't shout on you, no? If you
Yeah.
come directly, school uniform also.
Yes, I agree with you. But sometimes
When she's talking understood, if you come directly from your school wearing a school uniform, then also your relative can't shout on you. There is no rules that you have to wear colorful dress also. Yes, what is your answer?
yes, I agree with you. But some students are not possible to go in home. That time they are not possible. The bus is went.
Bus is
But
come, yeah.
if you take permission from your teacher to wear only for one day also, they will allow you.
Allow you, yes.
Yes, I agree
Some
with you.
students are not she's talking about some students are not feel free. Okay, if their function is there, then they are prefer to go by wearing colorful dress to their guest home. Yeah.
Yes, I agree with you, but the situation is not good. That time you can go this dress.
With this dress.
Will you repeat it? I can't understand your point.
Yes, I also.
Sometimes dangerous situation means accident, your relatives and your relatives in hospital, emergency. That time you can go the civil dress
With civil
But
dress.
with
it
civil
was
dress.
no any rule to wear if any accident time also if you want to go in hospital it was no rule to wear only civil dress you can wear also school dress also.
Okay, okay. Uniform band.
If uniform ban, that time students are feel is very good and
Feeling.
feeling is very good and they are relaxed.
They feel relaxed.
They feel relaxed sometime.
They get positive energy.
They get some positive energy and some motivation of study.
I agree to your point, but if government make rules like you can wear only one day, that it will be okay, but that also be good, but you can't wear every day civil uniform
Yeah.
because already you have so many uniforms on in a week.
So, as per my view, before also I have told you, uniform is our identity of our school, college. Okay, so uniform shouldn't be banned. Uniform is good for our students' age, college students' age also. Okay, we can suddenly identify that which means that students from which school. Okay, so okay, 1 or 2 days you can wear, means if government permission, then if your school teachers permission, then you can wear 1 or 2 days. It should be, I think it must be, and students will feel okay, good, relax. Okay, they are curious about to wear civil dress in that 1 or 2 days. Okay, so you have put all views, good it was. Okay, and thanks for watching this video. We will meet with new video.